and perfect, but I wouldn't mind it if it's just like this through the rest of Springfield. Trinity Church of the Nazarene. Well, somebody built a church down here. There's a lovely doggy just looking at me, going by. Okay guys, so stop one, stop two, we're going to make a brief left. But we went right through stop one. Down to another quiet neighborhood street. Yeah, nice yards. Some fenced, some not fenced. So we're making another short left here. Stop sign, and we're going to make another right. Yeah, we'll be going that way with the wind most of the day, apart from maybe these few little zigzags just to get out of the city. And as we continue, the wind's going to shift. Oh. Wind's going to shift from southwesterly to more southerly, so that's perfect. the last furlong of our trip. That's going to be right at our back. There we go. Right over a bit of tracks, a bit of bumps. And a nice little downhill. Nice guys, yeah, so we got the grapes in tow. You know, with these gloves, that's the thing, we might have to stop and get a pair of lighter gloves, because these are really cooking me up. And you can't really reach for things. And you can't really operate the phone. So, come a gas station, guys. We're gonna probably get ourselves a pair of more maneuverable gloves. Oh, somebody's got a nice little boat in there. Nice. How you doing? Yeah, we are cruising, guys. Yeah, cruising with the wind and a warmer temperature, guys. Of course, we're going to be making less stops. The stops are going to be shorter. Yeah, less frequent. Which I already mentioned, in other words, but yeah. Hey guys, we've become a little lighter. I've tossed pretty much every pair of underwear so far, and then today